Hello my genius kids. Welcome back to our GK class. Today we will learn chapter number 8 Little Ones and chapter number 9 Birds Talk. First we will learn chapter number 8 Little Ones. As you are baby of your mother and father, same way animals also have their babies. The parent animals take care of their babies. They feed them and protect them from enemies. Number 1. You can see sheep with its baby. So baby of sheep is called lamb. L-A-M-B, lamb. So write down here D. Number 2. You can see cow with its baby. Baby of cow is called calf. C-A-L-F, calf. So write down here E. Number 3. You can see horse with its baby. Baby of horse is called F-O-A-L, foal. So write down here C. On number 4, you can see deer with its baby. So baby deer is called fawn. F-A-W-N, fawn. So write down here B. Next, on number 5, lion with its baby. Baby lion is called C-U-B, cub. So write down here A. Next we will learn chapter number 9 Birds Talk. Like us, birds also talk to each other. Their sounds are called calls. Can you match the birds with their calls? Yes, let's start. First, whose sound is chirrup chirrup? Sparrow. Sparrow is on number 3. Next, whose sound is quack quack? Duck. Duck is on number 8. Next, whose sound is crow crow crow? Crow. So crow is on number 2. Whose sound is scream? Vulture. Vulture is on number 6. Next, whose sound is coo coo? Pigeon. Pigeon is on number 4. Next, whose sound is hoots hoots? Owl. Owl is on number 1. Next, cackles. Whose sound is cackle? Hen. Hen is on number 5. Next, whose sound is sings? Swan. Swan is on number 7. Bye bye children.